Have you ever frozen when someone asks you a simple question and your mind just goes blank? It's like your brain suddenly hits pause. Super frustrating, right?
Oh, that's the worst. Today, we're talking about how to train your brain to answer questions quickly, almost like it's second nature.
By the end of this episode, you'll get practical strategies to boost your speed and confidence in answering no more long, awkward silences.
We'll break down why instant responses matter, tricks to practice, the science behind quick thinking, common pitfalls, and ways to keep your skills sharp. Let's jump in.
So, why is being able to answer instantly such a valuable skill? I've noticed it helps in everything from job interviews to casual conversations.
Absolutely. It's a real confidence booster. When you respond quickly, people perceive you as sharp and assured. Plus, it helps you feel less anxious in high-pressure moments.
It really does. And honestly, sometimes overthinking just leads to those frustrating brain freezes, like you want to be perfect but end up saying nothing.
Exactly. The goal isn't always to be right, but to keep the conversation flowing. That's a skill anyone can improve with the right approach.
That makes me wonder what actually causes us to overthink when someone throws a question our way.
A lot of it comes down to fear of making mistakes. Our brains start analyzing every possible answer, which clogs up the process instead of helping.
It's so true. I've caught myself replaying questions in my head, worrying about sounding silly, and before I know it, the moment's passed.
We've all been there, but the more you practice letting go of perfection and just responding, the easier it gets to speak up instantly.
Let's dig into the fun part. Actual exercises to speed up your answers. What's an easy one people can use right away?
One of my favorites is rapid-fire Q&A. You jot down common questions like, "What's your favorite food?" or "Describe your weekend," and answer each in 5 seconds or less.
That's a great start. I also like using flashcards or language apps with a timer forcing you to react without hesitating.
Try practicing with a friend, too. Have them throw random questions at you, and don't give yourself time to prepare. It really builds that quick thinking muscle.
Funny enough, even after practicing, it's easy to slip back into old habits, like freezing up or over-explaining. How can listeners stay sharp over time?
Mix in variety. Challenge yourself with trickier questions, or do it in different settings like during a phone call or at lunch. It keeps your brain adapting.
And if you stumble, don't sweat it. The point is to get comfortable with imperfection, so you don't shut down each time you fumble a word.
Exactly. Consistency is key, and a sense of humor helps you brush off mistakes and keep moving forward.
Let's wrap up with the 3 biggest takeaways. First, answering quickly builds confidence and keeps your conversations lively.
Second, overthinking is the main culprit behind hesitation, so practicing rapid responses helps break that habit.
Third, exercises like rapid-fire Q&A and regular practice with friends are your best tools to train for speed.
Here's your action step. Pick 5 everyday questions and practice answering each in under 5 seconds. Make it a daily habit and watch your response time improve.
Thanks for tuning in. Keep training your brain, and soon you'll be that person with instant, confident answers to any question.